Wildlife Animal Removal Seminole Manor. Concerned about the noises coming from the attic? Critters upstairs can lead to major cleanup and repairs. Don't let critters ruin your peace of mind. Call AAAC Wildlife Removal right away. We always promise to be on time and provide top-notch service. We'll take any step necessary to deal with the culprits. We'll help you understand exactly how your wildlife are getting in. Your attic's fresh start is just around the corner. You'll feel confident in your choice. AAAC Wildlife Removal, Palm Beaches 561-515-0201 https://palm-beaches.aacwildliferemoval.com/ 4440 PGA Boulevard, Suite 600, Palm Beach, FL 33410.